Hard times create strong men. Strong men create good times. Good times create weak men. And weak men create hard times. History is set to produce powerful people. We believe that history is made by powerful people. Our chief guest of the occasion, His Grace Most Reverend Archbishop Sebastian Dureraj, Reverend Father Dr. John P.J., Principal BSSS, Dr. Sister Sonia Kurian, Vice Principal, Father Jomi Panitas, Dean Academics, Sister Lourdes Mary, BSSS Exam Cell in Charge, Sister Rohini, Coordinator Education Department, Dr. Smita Pillai, Head Department of Management, respected heads of various departments, invited guests, my colleagues, participants, and all dear students. Good morning and a warm welcome to all. We are thrilled to have you here today and excited to share this special moment together. Let's make it a memorable and inspiring experience for everyone. It is with great pride and excitement that we gather here today to inaugurate ODC 2025, a spectacular celebration of management, innovation and leadership, proudly presented by the Department of Management of the Bhopal School of Social Sciences. This eagerly awaited event is not merely a fest, but a transformative journey, a platform of learning, competition and collaboration that brings together bright minds and visionary leaders. We are honored to welcome our esteemed dignitaries whose presence greatly enhance the significance of this occasion. It is our privilege to extend a heartfelt welcome to each one of you. As we set sail on this remarkable journey, let ODC 2025 inspire creativity, fuel growth, and elevate our collective pursuit of excellence. May the energy and enthusiasm of this event ignite new possibilities and forge lasting connections. Welcome to ODC 2025, the flagship management fest of BSSS. Get ready to embark on a thrilling adventure filled with competition, learning and invaluable network. Management Day celebration is a week-long academic activity as a part of National Management Day, which is observed on 21st of February every year. This year is organized with the objective of providing a platform for students to showcase their managerial, entrepreneurial and leadership skills through various academic and co-curricular activities. A series of activities are planned during this week, which include national level business idea competition, guest lectures, treasure hunt, reelathon, which is a reel-making competition on teachings from ancient gurus based on Indian knowledge system, business quiz, expert sessions, and of course the ramp show. Concluding and valedictory session will take place on 21st of February on the occasion of National Management Day. To set the stage for today's grand proceedings, we begin with a vibrant cultural performance, a mesmerizing welcome dance by our very talented students of BSSS. This performance is a celebration of energy, grace and tradition, creating an atmosphere of joy and enthusiasm. So, please sit back, enjoy, and let the rhythm of this beautiful presentation uplift our spirits. Please welcome our students for a welcome dance.
Thank you. साजे सुत गौरी हर को, हाथ लिए गुड़ लड्डू साई सुरवर को, महिमा कहे न जाए लागत हूँ पद को, लागत हूँ पद को, लागत हूँ पद को।
A true leader inspires not just with words but with vision, dedication and unwavering commitment. We are extremely blessed to have at the helm of BSSS a dynamic and a vibrant leader, a great motivator and a true role model and a visionary. Respected Dr. Father John P.J., Principal of the Bhopal School of Social Sciences. His guidance continues to shape countless young minds and empower them for a very bright future. It is now our privilege to request our Reverend Father Principal for an inspiring welcome address as he extends his warm greetings to all of us. Father Principal.
Your Grace, Archbishop Sebastian Dureraj, members from the management, our dear sponsors, members of the staff and students. I've seen the management department working hard for the past few days to make these upcoming events possible. As mentioned by Dr. Amir, there are a number of programs scheduled to mark this management day. I believe every event is not just a happening, but it is a learning. Be it a guest lecture, be it a ramp walk, be it a seminar, be it a workshop, has so much of learning. Though the college is named as the Bhopal School of Social Sciences, over the years, management has taken over as the flagship course of our college. Having more than 1,000 students. I would like to congratulate at the onset our department, Dr. Smita Pillai and her entire team for raising funds to celebrate this week and also to have such standard programs in order to make things happen. I would like also to thank the sponsors who have come forward to help us to make this event or events possible. Coming to my duty to welcome our guests and guests, Archbishop Dureraj is not unknown to us. He is not only the Archbishop, but he stands tall as the chairman of this college. Your grace, your presence every time ignites our minds and our hearts. And we, in the pursuit of achieving excellence and true to our motto towards a better world, your words, your presence, your blessings matter us. Thank you for obliging to have come for this program today, and you are most welcome. To you all the sponsors, good to see you all, and it's a wonderful occasion for you to showcase your organization, your products, and I hope you will continue to support us in the time to come. Once again, welcome to you all. And to you all, my dear students, there's no need of a word of welcome, but you have made this day possible with your untiring cooperation. As seen, I was here yesterday evening to see the preparations, and I saw a number of you working, not just day in, but day out. God bless you all. Once again, all the very best for the week-long program, and God's blessings.
Thank you, Father, for always being a great source of inspiration. Your leadership and vision continue to shape and empower us in countless ways. We are truly grateful for everything you do. Our chief guest of the occasion, Most Reverend Dr. Sebastian Dureraj, SVD, born on May 3, 1957 in Tirunagar, Tamil Nadu, is the Archbishop of Bhopal and also the chairman of the Bhopal School of Social Sciences. He joined the Society of Divine Word in 1971 and was ordained a priest on May 8, 1985. He holds a BSc from PMB Gujarati Science College, Indore, and a Master's in Psychology from Government Arts and Commerce College, Indore. He further earned a Master's in Counseling from Loyola University, Chicago, and a Doctorate in Counselor Education from Duncan University, Pittsburgh. Appointed Bishop of Khandwa in the year 2009, he served until the year 2021. When Pope Francis appointed him Archbishop of Bhopal, he was installed on November 27, 2021. Archbishop Dureraj is known for his simplicity, loyalty to the church, and commitment to the mission. As we embark on this special occasion, it is only fitting that we begin with a moment of spiritual invocation, seeking divine grace and blessings for a successful and meaningful event. It is our honor to invite His Grace to extend His blessings and invoke His presence of the Almighty. With reverence and gratitude, we welcome you, Your Grace.
Respected Principal, Dr. Father John, Vice Principal, Dr. Sister Sonia, the Finance Administrator, Father Jomi, Head of the Department of Management, Dr. Smita Pillai, all the heads of the department of our esteemed institution, distinguished guests, and my dear students. It's always my pleasure, my joy to be in your midst, experiencing all the things that are happening in our college, in our institution. These days, we are all talking about artificial intelligence, AI. The Meta CEO, Mark Zuckerberg, recently said, I'm sure some of you definitely are aware of this. He said, this will be a defining year that determines if we are on a path towards many hundreds of millions and eventually billions of AI glasses. He's talking about these glasses, AI glasses. We use in India spectacles, we say, but the Americans always use these as glasses. So he's talking about glasses being the next computing platform in the future. AI's impact across industries is still evolving. My dear students, we are on a road advancing. Every year we find ourselves being challenged to be creative, challenged to be innovative. And so the Department of Management, I find it provides you a wonderful platform to shape your own management skills. And so I invite you, I encourage you to work with great interest, with great caution too. All that we do may not land us in trouble, but may land us in advancement that will be productive, that will be creative, and that should be very constructive. And all that I wish to present before you, my prayer is that during these days of wonderful exercise, trying to do your best, trying to develop your own skills, my prayer that the Lord may be with you to sharpen your managerial skills and may help you to develop your life-giving leadership abilities. And may the Lord be with you for an enterprising, entrepreneurial competence. Wish you all the best. God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Your Grace, for your words of appreciation and your kind blessings. Your presence and encouragement truly uplift and inspire us. We are grateful for your support and guidance as we move forward in our journey of learning and excellence. It is now our privilege to release Magna 2024, celebrating the hard work, innovation and passion that make us proud. Our esteemed Chief Guest is already here with our Reverend Father Principal. I request Sister Vice Principal, Father Jomi, Dr. Smita, and all the staff members of the Department of Management to join us on the stage along with Dr. Namrata Krishnani and Dr. Anita Jomi, the editors, and the student editorial team, Mr. Nishan Pillai, Chavi Babbar, Palash Moria, and Dixon David, for the release of Magna Departmental Magazine, Magna 2024. The students, under the guidance of teachers, have really worked very hard to bring this magazine, Magna 2024, published by the Department of Management of the Bhopal School of Social Sciences. I request all of you to please give a huge round of applause to the release of Magna 2024, the annual magazine published by the Department of Management of BSSS. Keep clapping, please. Thank you so much. I also request Ishan sir and Musharraf sir to please join us for a group photograph, sir, please. We also have the launch of 2 new books As we know that books are the carriers of knowledge, innovation and intellectual growth. Today we also take immense pride in presenting and launching two significant publications that reflect the scholarly contributions of the Department of Management. These books stand as a testament to academic excellence, research and the pursuit of knowledge that defines our institution. The first book, before we release the first book, I also request Mr. Rohini to please join us on the stage for this special occasion. Thriving in Crisis, Insights Startup from BSSS Incubation Center and its partners. Authored by Dr. Smita Pillai, Dr. Ashish Jalraj, Dr. Binoy Erekal and Mr. Nitin Jain. I request Ashish sir, Binoy sir and Nitin sir to please join us on the stage. We can please give them a round of applause for the first book which is released today, Thriving in Crisis, Startup Insight from BSSS Incubation Center and its partners, authored by Dr. Smita Pillai, Dr. Ashish Jalraj, Dr. Binoy Erekal and Nitin Jain sir. So here is the release of Thriving in Crisis, and we have the esteemed authors along with our very special guests and dignitaries here on the stage. The second book which is to be released today is named as Dynamics of Management, Innovations and Performance Leadership. Dynamics in Management, Innovations and Performance Leadership. This book is the outcome of the international conference comprising of research articles by the participants. Edited by Dr. Alpa Ghosh, Dr. Rashmeet Kaur and Dr. Namrata Kisnani. Dynamics of Management, Innovations and Performance Leadership. Our esteemed chief guest and dignitary releasing the book, which will be available for all of you in our college library and other platforms as well. Can we all join our hands together for this special occasion? The release of Magna and the release of two books on this special occasion. Thank you very much, Ms. Grace. Thank you, Father Principal. Thank you, Sister. Thank you, Father Jomi. Thank you, dignitaries.
In the name of all the governing body members and the Archdiocese of Bhopal, I extend my hearty congratulations to all the authors, editors, publishers, sponsors. Thank you very much for all your hard work and your encouragement. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Ms. Grace. May I request all of you to please give a round of applause to our esteemed chief guest of the program. Founded in the year 2019, the Begums of Bhopal, the Ladies Club. Legendary Begums by reviving a historic Prince of Wales Ladies Club. It promotes heritage conservation, women's empowerment and cultural initiatives, including the revival of Pari Bazaar, India's only all-women market. Members from diverse backgrounds celebrate Bhopal's Ganga Jamni Tehzeeb. We have the privilege of having the president of the club, Mrs. Raksha Zahid, and the vice president, Dr. Mrs. Binu Dhirji, who are here, who have a special token of appreciation for our Reverend Father Principal for all the wonderful work under his guidance and under his support, the excellence achieved by BSSS. I request Father Principal to please come and accept a small token of appreciation and gratitude from the Begums of Bhopal Club, headed by Mrs. Raksha Zahid and Mrs. Beenu Dheerji. Can we have some music and can we have a round of applause for this special honor? Farah Anwar is also requested to please join on the stage with her group, an international beauty queen and pageant visionary, founded Mr. Miss and Mrs. MP and Miss and Mrs. Central India, a Femina's most powerful awardee. She empowers aspiring talent crowned Mrs. Asia 2018. She continues redefining beauty and excellence with her pageants and reigning queens. I request Mr. Sonia and Father Jomi to please join us to present a token of appreciation and gratitude on behalf of the Bhopal School of Social Sciences to the President of Pageants India Company, Mrs. Farah Anwar. I request Father Principal to present a memento to Mrs. Raksha and Mrs. Beenu Dheer. Gratitude is the highest tribute we can offer to those who are our well-wishers and supporters. As a token of our heartfelt appreciation, we take this moment to honor our sponsors and supporters as well. I request Mr. Ayush Srivastava from Shower Wealth Academy to please join us on the stage for being one of our main sponsors. Mr. Ayush Srivastava from Shower Wealth Academy. Thank you very much, gentlemen. I request Father Principal and Sister to please do the honors. Thank you, Mr. Ayush. I would like to call upon Mr. Achal Jain from LPT Law Prep Tutorials, Mr. Achal Jain, to please join us. Thank you very much for your kind support. They provide coaching classes for CAT, MBA, IPMAT, law entrance examinations. Please welcome Mr. Achal Jain from LPT Law Prep Tutorials. I request Father Jomi to please do the honors. Okay, thank you very much, Father. Thank you very much, Father Principal. Thank you to all our sponsors and supporters. Thank you very much. As we come to the conclusion of this opening ceremony, the inauguration of ODC 2K25, the Management Fest organized by the Bhopal School of Social Sciences, it's time to express our heartfelt gratitude to all who have contributed to its success. To do the honors, I now request Reverend Father Jomi Panitas to propose a vote of thanks. Father, please.
His Grace, Most Reverend Dr. Sebastian Duriraj, the Chairman and the Archbishop of Bhopal, all the dignitaries, esteemed sponsors, members of the staff, and my dear students, well-wishers and guests. We have officially inaugurated the week-long celebration of National Management Day, which will culminate on 21st of February, which is marked as the official National Management Day. Celebrations of such days recognizes the importance of management in all the spheres of human life. And therefore, we have an array of programs lined up for the whole week, including discussions, debates, expert sessions, brainstorming, etc. on different topics related to management. And of course, special focus on the challenges faced by today's managers at different levels, and then the alternatives available for them. All these will be discussed during the course of this week. And to grace this occasion, we have amidst us our chairman and the Archbishop, Most Reverend Dr. A.A.S. Dureraj, whose mere presence, as always, has lifted the spirit of all present in this auditorium. Your Grace, we value and acknowledge your presence, the words of encouragement and support to all of us, staff and the students as well. Thank you, Your Grace. A special word of thanks to all our participants. Some we have already seen and more to see on the stage. Especially for all our organizers, headed by organizing team, headed by Professor Dr. Smita Pillai, who was supported by dedicated staff and students from the Department of Management for their meticulous planning and executing today's program. Though one or the other invited ones turned their back, their spirit, they didn't stoop down. They kept their head high, kept working, and then that's what we see today. Thank you, man, to you and your team. Special word of thanks to all our sponsors for supporting us in today's program. May God continue to bless all your endeavor. All our students, well-wishers, and guests, thank you. Though it's a Saturday holiday, you have taken your time to be with us, to be part of this celebration. May God continue to bless all of you, and thanks for gracing this occasion. Thank you, and have a nice day, and have a fruitful week-long celebration of this management day. All the best.
So the wait is over. It's time to officially unveil ODC 2K25, our much anticipated annual management fest. Before we witness our young talented students setting the ramp on fire with the vibrant essence of the 80s era, let us take a nostalgic journey through a mesmerizing dance performance by our students, celebrating the music and moves that defines this golden decade. So please sit back and enjoy the rhythm of 80s at this very special stage of ODC 2K25, Grand Management Fest, organized by the Department of Management of the Bhopal School of Social Sciences, Bhopal.
You got
संग संग हवा के साथ साथ घटा के संग संग ओ साथी चल
तुझे के साथ चल तू यूं ही दिन रात चल तू संभल मेरे साथ चल तू ले हाथों में हाथ चल तू ओ साथी चल
So after this wonderful dance performance, after this inaugural ceremony, official ceremony of the launch starting and the inauguration of Management Fest ODC 2K22, we begin with the series of activities. As announced earlier, we have a week-long activities for all the students, and we are so very happy to have excellent, enthusiastic participation in all the events which will continue for 1 week, starting from today with the ramp walk, which will depict the 80s, 90s and 20s era, followed by the events and competitions including treasure hunt, reelathon, expert sessions, guest lectures and much more. Moments of joy, fun and frolic for all of you, for all our very dear BSSIs. So are you all ready? Yes or no? So that's all from my side for the time being. Thank you very much. I request our anchors of the show, Charu Singh and Laksh Sharma, I request all of you to please welcome our dynamic student anchors on the stage.
Thank you, sir, Dr. Amir Mehboob. Once again, good afternoon, everyone, ladies and gentlemen present here. I am Laksh, and alongside me is my co-host Charu. It is our honor to extend a warm welcome to each one of you on this momentous occasion of Management Day.
Absolutely. Today, we gather to celebrate the art, science, and profound significance of management, a field that transforms idea into impactful actions, goals into remarkable achievements, and individuals into collaborative teams.
True. Management truly stands as the backbone of every thriving institution. So, without further ado, let's dive into today's festivities filled with insights, excitement, and much more.
The era of neon lights, disco beats, boom boxes, and of course, some unforgettable fashion statements. Today, we are taking a time machine back to one of the most iconic, colorful, and groovy decades of all time, the 1980s.
Let's rewind to the 1980s, a decade of bold choices, power dressing, and statement-making attire. Picture the oversized blazers, padded shoulders, and the timeless power suit. The corporate world then was a reflection of ambition and authority, expressed through structured silhouettes and bold colors. Get ready for a ramp walk like never before, where our participants are all set to dazzle you with their best 80s looks.
So, give a huge round of applause to all the participants as they grace the ramp with their amazing and mind-blowing walks. सैया तू अब तो आजा शोरा
We are about to embark on a vibrant journey back to the unforgettable era of the 1990s. The era of funky beats, iconic Bollywood dance moves, and timeless music.
The 90s, a time of Walkmans, cassette tapes, and the ultimate dance moves that shaped a generational music. And music had magic, dance floors had pure madness. From Bollywood hits to global pop, the era was a roller coaster of energy.
Today, we are bringing that nostalgia and that vibrant energy back to life. Get ready to groove to the biggest 90s hits.
Watch along as our incredibly talented dance performers take you back to a time of pure fun and boundless excitement. The era of the 90s.
Please put your hands together to welcome the dance group. now, the excitement continues as we celebrate the Management Day with even more fantastic segments ahead. Stay with us because what's coming next will be even more exciting.
That's right. Up next, our stunning models are ready to grace the ramp with their corporate charm and style. Let's keep the momentum going.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to rewind the clock to an era that redefined Indian fashion, the iconic 1990s.
The 90s was not just an era of business evolution, but also an era of remarkable fashion statements. Laksh, I think you would agree. It was a time when corporate dressing was synonymous with confidence, class, and impeccable style.
Indeed, from the power suits to elegant saris, the 90s were all about bold statements, fusion styles, and a perfect mix of tradition with modernity.
And it wasn't just about the boardroom street style. The Bollywood-inspired trends also made their marks. As we say, from retro suits to modern moves.
Yes, corporate fashion in the 1990s saw a shift from the power dressing of the 80s to a more relaxed and minimalistic approach.
The decade embraced simplicity with softer silhouettes, neutral tones, and less rigid tailoring. Men often wore single-breasted suits in shades like beige, navy, and charcoal, paired with patterned or colorful ties to add a touch of personality.
Women moved away from the bold shoulder pads of the previous decade and adopted sleeker, more comfortable styles, such as tailored pantsuits, knee-length skirts, and understated blouses.
Casual Fridays gained popularity during this time, introducing more laid-back options like chinos and polo shirts into the workplace. Overall, 90s corporate fashion balanced professionalism with practicality, setting the stage for a more flexible, adaptable dress code in the years to come.
So, fasten your seatbelts as we take you on an exhilarating ride through the 90s, showcasing the charm and elegance of the era on the ramp with our beautiful models.
So, give a huge round of applause as I welcome the beautiful models from the 90s on the stage.
लास्ट सॉन्ग है ये, इसमें थोड़ा जोश तो मजा आएगा आपको भी, प्लीज। ठीक है,
प्रीत की लत मोड़े ऐसी ओ गई मैं मतवारी
तुझ evolved into something bigger, bolder, and more inclusive. Every party and celebration was incomplete without the hottest tracks and the best moves.
The 2000s were a time of global crossover hits, upbeat Bollywood tunes, and an explosion of dance styles that took over every dance floor. Get ready to groove to the hottest sounds of the millennium.
So, with a huge round of applause, let's welcome our stunning dancers on the stage.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, let's take a deep breath as we transition from the bold, oversized blazers and power suits of the 90s to a new, sophisticated world, the corporate fashion of the 2000s.
We stand at the crossroads of time, where the boldness of 90s gives way to a more refined, dynamic era of corporate style in the new millennium. This is where change and modernity meets, and where professional attire become a beautiful blend of sophistication and individuality.
As we step into this new era, we celebrate the evolution of fashion, where the corporate world embraced dynamic changes, creating an entirely fresh approach to professionalism.
The corporate fashion of for professionals in their 20s strike a balance between modern trends and workplace appropriateness. It blends polished, professional attire with contemporary style that reflect individuality without compromising professionalism. Key wardrobe staples include well-fitted blazers, tailored trousers, and versatile dresses in neutral tone, complemented by statement accessories or bold colors to showcase personality. Footwear ranges from sleek loafers and classic pumps to stylish block heels or polished sneakers, depending on workplace cultures. As younger professionals navigate corporate environments, their fashion choices reflect both confidence and adaptability, ensuring they appear professional while remaining authentic to their personal style. So, let's now welcome our incredible participants for Ramp Walk, who are here to showcase what our theme, retro suits to modern moves, truly represents. Confidence, elegance, and the seamless blend of past and present.
Get ready as our stunning models take the ramp to bring the corporate charm of the 2000s to life with style and grace.
Let's give a huge round of applause and invite the amazing ramp walkers on the stage.
Makalu. So, the show is still on. How was the round of 20s? Can we hear a round of applause, please, all of you? So now, welcoming the HOD of the Department of Management along with the very happening models of BBA, BA Management. Please welcome Dr. Smita Pillai on the stage with the music. And please welcome the other teachers of the Department of Management along with the students. Yes. Please welcome the HOD Department of Management. Continue the music. Please keep clapping. The in charge of the management club, Dr. Rashid Kaur. All the other teachers, the choreographer of this show, Dr. Anita Jovik, Dr. Darshan, Dr. Laila Simon, Yashvi, Dr. Kalpa Ghosh, Neeraj Sir, Dr. Neeraj Bhadakar, Dr. Mahendra Vishkarma. Please. Yeah. So here are the organizers and coordinators of this show. I also call upon the President of the Management Club, Kuhu Pandey, along with our very dynamic team of Management Club. Kuhu Pandey along with our dynamic team of Management Club coordinators. So, presenting before you the President of the Management Club. The in charge of the Management Club, Dr. Rashid, here on the stage. The club is very meticulously led by Dr. Rashid. Yes.
Now, officer will be coming on the stage. I hope everybody can put your hands together.
The President of the Management Club, Kuhu Pandey, along with her talented and dynamic team of Management Club, Dr. Mahima is here. So please welcome the Management Club President, Ms. Kuhu Pandey, Vice President Vicky Agarwal, and the entire team of Management Club on the stage. The coordinator, the secretary, joint secretary, president and vice president of the Management Club of the Bhopal School of Social Sciences. All the team members of the BSSS Management Club 2025 and the organizing team